Representative values. We use the word average in our day-to-day life. Purnima spends on an average of about 5 hours daily for her studies. The average temperature at this time of the year is about 40 degrees Celsius. The average age of pupils in the class is 12 years. The average attendance of students in a school during its final examination was 98%. Do you think that Purnima studies exactly for 5 hours daily? No. Purnima generally studies for 5 hours. On some days, she may study for less than of hours, and on other days, she may study longer. Is the temperature of the given place during a particular time always 40 degrees Celsius? No, the average temperature of 40 degrees Celsius means that very often the temperature at this time of the year is around 40 degrees Celsius. Sometimes it may be less than 40 degrees Celsius, and at other times it may be more than 40 degrees Celsius. Is the age of each pupil in that class is 12 years? No, the age of each pupil may vary. Sometimes it may be less than 12 years or more than 12 years also. Is the attendance of students in a school during final examination is 98%? Obviously not. The attendance of students in a school during final examinations may vary around 98%. Note that while analyzing various sets of statistical data, you would have observed that in many cases, majority of the scores cluster at the center of the distribution. This tendency of scores to cluster around a central value is called central tendency. The central value is the representative value of the data. Note, finding out the more representative value of a data is an important task in a statistical analysis. Such representative value is known as measure of central tendency. There are three measures of central tendency. Number 1, mean or average. Number 2, median. And number 3, mode. In case 1, beads are arranged in the form of 14, 10, 6, 6 and 4. As shown in the figure, these numbers are called data. Here the most repeated value is 6. This representative value of a data is called mode. In case 2, the beads are arranged in the form 12, 10, 8, 6 and 4. Here the middle number is 8. This representative value of data is called median. In case 3, the beads are arranged in the form of 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8. Here this representative value of the data is 8, which is called mean or arithmetic mean, or you can say as average also. Let us find average of beads in all three cases. In case 1, number of beads are 14, 10, 6, 6, 4 respectively. So the average is equals to sum of the beads divided by number of rods, which is 14 plus 10 plus 6 plus 6 plus 4 whole divided by 5, which gives 40 by 5, which is equals to 8. In case 2, the number of beads are 12, 10, 8, 6, 4 respectively. Average is equals to sum of beads divided by number of rods, which is equals to 12 plus 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 whole divided by 5, which gives 40 by 5, which is 8 as well. In case 3, The number of beads are 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8 respectively. Again, average is equals to sum of beads divided by number of rods, which is equals to 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 whole divided by 5, which is also giving 40 by 5, which is 8 as well. In all cases, the average is same. The mean, median and mode in all cases are as follows. Representative value, which are mean, median and mode. In all the cases, the mean are 8. The median in case 1 is 6 and in 2 and 3 it's 8. And for mode, in case 1 it's 6, in case 2 there is no mode, and in case 3 it's 8. In case 2 and 3, the mean and median are same, that is 8, but it may not be equal in all the cases. They may be different for different types of data. Let us consider another example. Weather forecast table of important cities in India on a particular day is given below. The maximum temperature and the minimum temperature of cities like New Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, Pune, Hyderabad and Bangalore are given in the figure. How to calculate the representative temperature of the given data? Let us arrange the data in two tables in ascending order. First table represents the maximum temperature of the cities, and the second table represents the minimum temperature of the cities. Mean of the maximum temperature is equals to sum of all the maximum temperature divided by the number of maximum temperatures, which is 28 plus 34 plus 34 plus 35 plus 38 plus 40 plus 42 divided by 7, which is equal to 251 by 7, which is equal to 35.85 degrees Celsius. So, the mean maximum temperature of 7 cities is 35.86 degrees Celsius. Now, mean for the minimum temperature. Similarly, we will sum of all the minimum temperature divided by the number of minimum temperatures, which will be equal to 21 plus 22 plus 27 plus 27 plus 27 plus 28 plus 29 whole divided by 7, which will equal to 181 by 7, which is equal to 25.85 degrees Celsius. Mean minimum temperature of 7 cities is 25.85 degrees Celsius. Observe the given table carefully. It is an arrangement of having 7 number. It is an odd number. We can easily mark the middle number, which gives us median. So, the median of the maximum temperature is 35 degrees Celsius and the median of the minimum temperature is equals to 27 degrees Celsius. Mode is the most often repeated number in a given set of data. So, the mode for the maximum temperature is equals to 34 degrees Celsius since it has been repeated 2 times in the table, and the mode of the minimum temperature is equals to 27 degrees Celsius since it has been repeated 3 times in the table. For a given sample of data, mean, median and mode are as follows. So, the mean of the maximum temperature is 35.85 and mean of the minimum temperature is 25.85. Whereas the median of maximum temperature is 35 and minimum temperature is 27, and mode of maximum temperature is 34 and minimum temperature is 27. You can observe that mean, median and mode are not same in both the cases. These 3 measures, which are representative values, show central tendency of the given data. Therefore, the measures are called the measure of central tendency.